Hello dear friend, this recipe is very popular in Greece for other reasons. I will not explain you now. It's a salad with hard peeled wheat. We boiled for a half an hour and then we cover it on a towel and we take it in the freeze for one night. Then it's ready to start our recipe. Let's start with the shrimps. I take some fresh shrimps, sea salt, and sweet chili sauce. I turn on the fire and I fry it away. In 5 minutes our shrimps will be ready. I take a mixing bowl and then I put the wheat inside. Our shrimps are ready. Turn off the fire and here on the mixing bowl with our wheat we will put all the next ingredients. We have roasted almonds, pine nuts, walnuts, brown raisins and blond raisins. Here I have sesame. I roast it on the pan for 2 minutes. Also, balsamic syrup, salt and olive oil, syrup de agave, cinnamon and nutmeg, and ground mahlep, all in our bowl. Okay, our salad is ready. I take a serving spoon, a plate, take some from the salad. Oh my God, it looks so yummy, so delicious. And on the top, some shrimps. I think it's enough for me. Tablespoon and time for try.